Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. And today I have this Dell Inspiron 1545. I'm not sure. I think that's it. But anyways, I'm going to show you guys how to replace the display panel on one of these. So, yeah. So, this display panel is a little bit busted up. That was just a phone. But you can see it's not really doing that good. It does boot. This was a family laptop. I even have the original box for it. This was sitting in my garage for a really long time. Not the laptop, but the box. But, yeah. Inspiron. You know, it works. Now you can see the Windows logo, but the point is, I'm going to show you guys how to replace it today. So yes, it is a 1545. So to get started, you need a Phillips head screwdriver. So anyways, let's just get started. So first of all, you want to open the lid, and you just want to unscrew all the screws. Usually there'd be rubber things covering the screws, but I broke the screen in 2017 when I tried to open it up. I was not a professional then. So I pretty much destroyed this thing. These fell off on its own. I broke this in like 2020. So this laptop really did not got busted up over the years. But anyways, now that all the screws are out, you can remove the bezel. You have to like unclip it. And if you want to replace the entire display panel, I'm not doing that in this video. I'm just showing you how to replace the LCD only. So now you have the LCD. I hate reflections. But you can unscrew these screws for it, and it should come right out. So these screws right here, and then it'll come out. And now there's a cable connecting it. Yeah, the tape is not doing too well, but you can disconnect it from the computer and unstick it, and then you can remove your display panel or LCD panel, and then yeah, you can get your new one and just pop it inside. Stick the tape down if it's not already gone or destroyed, and you can just put it back in. Make sure you align it properly, and there we go. It's back in. And then you can just screw in the screws. Make sure you do it on the inner side, like right here, and I'll do the other side. You don't need to see that part. You can see a little bit. And that phone is probably boot looping, but whatever. So now that the display is back in, wait just a second. Just a second. Okay, I'm back. So now we can put our thing back in. Bezel back in. Put the bezel back in. But there we go. Now you can just screw the screws in. I'm missing a screw on the bezel, so yeah, I lost that screw a long time ago. So there we go. So now your display panel is, fixed. Some clips that I didn't clip down. But anyways, that's about it for this video. Pretty short one. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and check out my Twitter at ufelix5. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Oops. Sorry about that. You've already seen my face before on YouTube. I already did a face reveal a few years ago. So yeah, bye.